Hello and welcome to another episode of the garden series. Today I am replanting the corn from here to the garden outside. And I've already taken one case like this outside and have replanted it. So what I do is basically I dig a hole approximately as deep as this cup. I just cut the cup and try to keep the soil all together, place it in the hole and just leave it there. Now, last year we did try replanting corn like that outside. It didn't work. We'll see if it actually works this year. And so this is season 2022. We do have a lot of things that we've planted inside, and they are going to go outside at some point. Now, most of these things will actually go in pots. It's only the corn for now that is going in the actual garden. This year we have beautiful flowers, but what about the tulips? Nothing happening with the tulips. I'm pretty sure that last year they were blooming by this time.
This one only one come back.
So yes, we had a warm March, so tulips started growing early. Couldn't bloom that early, of course, and then it snowed in April and in May, and they didn't grow properly, so we don't have tulips this year really. Today we are planting pretty much everything outside, so everything's gonna go outside. And today is May 27th, so pretty much everything is gonna go outside right now. Some things will have to continue be coming back inside. This is the zucchinis out there. It is unfortunately still too cold for them here in Calgary, so I'll have to be bringing them inside every evening pretty much.
Today we're planting our tomatoes in the pot. Look at myself. I'm so haggard.
It is only the tomatoes. We're also doing other things. Oh, peppers right here. Peppers and tomatoes. And I also planted the sunflower outside, replanted them from inside. Lots of work. I'm tired. I don't know about you.
You don't work. I'm all
You're doing everything, baby.
This tomato, it's hard to plant.
What is that, baby?
Cucumber.
Cucumber goes in here. We got some onions as well. And I'm also planting onions here. These kind of onions. Yes, unfortunately we got lots of hail in June. Not a big one, but it didn't really have any damage on the house or on the car, but it killed pretty much all of our tomatoes, and the corn is not doing well. I don't think we're gonna get any corn this year. It's pretty much the plants are still alive, but they're not growing there. They were crushed, so yeah. Yeah, we started covering things after the first time, but it was bad. These tomatoes are dead. At least the tulips in the front fared better. Well, they got the hail, but they didn't grow early because the front is facing north, and the snow melts here really late, and it's generally colder in the front than in the back. But here's more rain and hail. It's not so bad this time. This was a squirrel. It was hiding in our lilac. Oh, look at me here. The flowers didn't bloom this year, but at least we don't have any fire bans. Like the, what do you call this? The tulips. The tulips didn't. And the tomatoes destroyed by hail. How do you like your marshmallows?
It's okay. But it easily got burned.
I thought that's how marshmallows work. They
No,
get burned.
But it's, I don't like the black.
What are you doing there?
I'm gonna eat sausage. It's hard to break. How to break sausage? I guess you need two sausage.
See, the sausage I like.
Huh? Sausage?
Yeah.
But this one is like totally.
Totally what?
Broken.
Broken? Flowers.